Thank you for watching this video, proudly brought to you by AN Immigration Services and Consulting. The content in this video is for reference only and should not be relied upon in making any visa-related decision. Please seek professional advice about the content in this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Let us be part of your journey in Australia and support you throughout this journey. This video covers the submission of a valid application and the eligibility criteria in applying for a subclass 190 skilled nominated visa as of the 6th of June in 2025. This visa lets nominated skilled workers live and work in Australia as permanent residents. If you are in Australia at the time you apply, you must hold a substantive visa, or bridging visa A, or bridging visa B, or bridging visa C. If you currently hold or your last substantive visa held was either a skilled work regional, provisional, subclass 491, visa or a skilled employer-sponsored regional, provisional, subclass 494, visa, you must have held that visa for at least 3 years at the time you apply. You can only apply for this visa if the department invite you to. You submit an expression of interest to let the department know you would like to apply for the visa. After you have submitted an expression of interest, you might be nominated for the visa by a state or territory government. The department will only invite you to apply for this visa if you are nominated. You must have been nominated for this visa by an Australian state or territory government agency. All state and territory government agencies have their own criteria for deciding who they will nominate. If the state or territory agency that nominates you withdraws your nomination after you have applied, your application becomes invalid. For your application to be valid, you must declare that you have a suitable skills assessment at the time of invitation. From a decision in a court case, the department will now accept a suitable skills assessment for an applicant's nominated skilled occupation which has been obtained within the 60-day invitation period. Your skills assessment must have been obtained in the 3 years before the date of your invitation. If the assessment was for a shorter period, that period must not have passed. If your skills were assessed on the basis of a qualification you got in Australia when you held a student visa, the qualification must be from studying a course registered on the Commonwealth Register of Institutions and Courses for Overseas Students. You must be aged under 45 when the department invite you to apply for the visa. The subclass 190 is a points-tested visa. When you submit your expression of interest in Skill Select, you will be given an indicative points score based on the claims you have made. If you do not obtain a score of 65 points, you will not be invited to apply for this visa. At the time of invitation, you must have at least competent English. Your occupation must be on the relevant list of eligible skilled occupations for the 190 skilled nominated visa. You and any family who apply for the visa with you must meet the department's health requirement. If requested, family members not accompanying you to Australia might also need to meet the department's health requirement. You and family members aged 16 years and over who apply for the visa with you must meet the department's character requirement. Family members not accompanying you to Australia must also meet the character requirement. If you or any family members, including those who do not apply for the visa with you, owe the Australian government money, you or they must have paid it back or arranged to pay it back. If you are 18 years of age or older, you must have read, or had explained to you, the life in Australia and confirm you will respect the Australian way of life and obey Australian laws when you sign an Australian value statement. The department will consider your immigration history when they make a decision on your application, which means you might not be eligible for this visa if you have had a visa cancelled or refused. We are going to show you a flowchart version of the application process and the eligibility criteria to give you a graphical overview of the requirements of this visa. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel so that we can provide more content to support you.